2024 na kakakra bi ne awura August mu ne close Ghana transfer window no na Kotoko signing midfielder your fellow Samuel Tenadu from Lagos Cities na no credit say Samuel Tenadu joining Kumasi Asante Kotoko since 2024 July no or more 3 games in 2 so that and I mean okay say transfer window ayebe bie no January no player na is contemplating say obe put in transfer request e die ntia aha ye Super 24 TV in 2-3 minutes asem no ncheche mu nyina no ye de bebro Asante Kotoko reaction 0247 1072 60 0247 1072 60 me did the light for a path by a check akra de bia me kase ewi ase no there are so many things, so many information we have to know. Na enye ni nyina no eni ebenya. Anase enye ni nyina na ebehunu. Therefore, what is obi ka bia na wate waso no wati. Yemfa message we enante as a light for our path. The past is not a residence, but is for reference. Tienye, the past is not a residence, but is for reference. Past no o past no enya ho na wo say kotena live. You only visit your past for reference. Mamemfa classical example we entumu mawo we mamencha drivers no sa uchi car glass na wore wanimu no ahwehwe na wo wanimu no your friend the windscreen and as obetima ka say the windshield ana ye wo ba ku bi nso ewo waso ntemu ho eno ne ye frɛ no driving mirror real driving mirror no sa wotika enum na wutwi a always wani ehwɛ the windscreen no at the moment obehwɛ driving mirror no is just a sneak peek about 2-3 seconds ohwɛ ya no where you wani then you focus on the windscreen because eno na ekyere wo kwan na eno na ekyere wanim sana brabonetie windscreen no is the focus to help you get to your destination. Nemo no the real driving mirror na e wo nchen mu no sa eno no you look at it ebi anadi bi firi wachi ba no wakohwe ne kakra bi reference no wagina ye so entitem bia no your past no should be a reference point to guide us in this life. We shouldn't make our past a resident. Say hone ye kotena. Na mom no is a reference point. Ugo hwe ne kakra bi no wa so na guide o na ukọ. Entitem bia no if you are a learner, o past no guides you very well in this life. So let's take this message as a light for our path for today. 6 October 2025, the year of our Lord. The past is a reference, but not a resident. And now, Samuel Tenadu is contemplating to leave Asante Kotoko because of lack of playing time. I told a beer, as some way I am but the fact is that he has played under 2 coaches. Ogum ne koto ne bae. Ogum okoto ne bae no. During Ogum time no na onya bi mmosa. Injury kakra be firm. Na emom no sese ameno ka say no. Oye fully fit. Still on starting. Kotoko akofa new midfielders aba Adabo and Walid name of Fuseni, Hubert Jomo. Inti ni nyina aka ho bi. E na odwene say January ekwan mu da ho a obe put in transfer request na onya suitable club a de me matene say one ne manager na say sa omunya suitable club mana one Kotoko be party ways na even though say sika oje ne Kotoko na ye master onya bi mo ba no bosumi akatua oje nya bad peche